Hey guys, my name is Kush. Welcome to Bombay Shaving Company. As you all know, Bombay Shaving Company's superfood and rich products have always been an ideal companion for all your grooming needs, and you can definitely incorporate them in your daily routine. Imagine yourself getting ready for office. There are just so many things that you need to do and they don't really excite you. I'm here to tell you 5 things that you can do every day before you leave for work. Before moving on, make sure you like, share, subscribe and comment करके बताओ आप लोग क्या करते हो. What is your go-to tip? Tip number 1. Prepare a night before. Choose your outfits and shoes well in advance. इससे ना सिर्फ time बचेगा but you will look more put together and stylish. Tip number 2. अब ये सबसे important है. Have a proper grooming regime. जब सुबह उठते हैं किसी का मन नहीं करता काम पे जाने का, but when you have a proper routine that just gets you ready, refreshed and energetic throughout the day. So what is the perfect routine? Use the charcoal detan kit from Bombay Shaving Company. Step number 1, use a charcoal face wash. ये ना सिर्फ excess oil हटाएगा, but this will also protect your skin from pollution. Step number 2, use a charcoal face scrub. This will remove blackheads and dead skin. Step number 3, use a charcoal peel-off mask. This has 5x detoxifying power to remove all dirt and impurities. Step number 4, use a charcoal face pack. This will close your pores and restore your skin. Tip number 3, have a shaving routine. अब आपको लग रहा होगा मेरी तो दाढ़ी है तो मैं शेव नहीं करता. ऐसा नहीं है. I still use a razor to maintain my beard and make it look sharp before I go to work. Bombay Shaving Company has a perfect answer for your shaving needs. Here I have the Precision Safety Razor, which looks so premium. It has Japanese feather blades for a perfect precise shave. All you have to do is unscrew the handle, take this off, put the blade on, put the top back and just screw the handle back. That's it. Then we have the coffee shaving foam, which is 2x creamier than any other shaving foam for a perfect shave and smells so good. Tip number 4. Do not forget your essentials. Wallet, check. Phone, check. Car keys, check. Beard oil, check. Tip number 5. Do not forget all the tips that I have just given. What were the tips? Tip number 1. Prepare a night before. Tip number 2, have a proper skincare regime. Tip number 3, have a shaving routine. Tip number 4, do not forget all the essentials. That's it from the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you gained something from the video. If you did, make sure you like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. My name is Kush and I'll see you in the next one.